Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. So firstly I will show you how to change it on Android device. I'm going to use Pixel with a stock Android, and then I will show you how to do this on Apple device. But some Android phones have system similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also a part with iOS device, and maybe you will have path similar to iOS. Now on your Android, open Settings, and you need to scroll down and find Accessibility. And I have it at the bottom. Tap at this line, and then we need to scroll down again and find Audio Adjustment. And at the bottom I have it. So tap on it, and here it is, we have Volume Balance. So you can move this dot to the right, and now we increase the volume on the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use, let's say, 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. And it's the same for the left one. You just move this dot to the left, and now we just increase the volume on the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Apple device. Now let's move to the iPhone. And on your iPhone you need to open Settings and go to Accessibility, what's located under the General Settings. Then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual. You need to tap at this line, we just enter here and scroll down. Right here we have audio balance. So right here we have a dot, or if you have iOS 26 you will have a slider, and you need to move the slider to the left or to the right. Right now I moved it to the right, so I increase the volume on the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And if I use 100% on the right earbud, I will totally mute volume on my left earbud. And it's the same with the left one, just move this dot or to the slider to the left. And now I increase the volume on the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!